What if nature could change the course of history forever? In 79 AD, Mount Vesuvius erupted, burying Pompeii in ash. Thousands perished instantly, freezing life and time, literally. But it wasn't just Pompeii. The eruption had global effects. The eruption caused climate shifts, leading to crop failures. Famine spread across the Roman Empire, never fully recovering. Nature doesn't wait for permission to rewrite history. What other moments shaped our past through nature's force? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping history.